Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your JB4 Bluetooth. First, make sure your JB4 tuner is correctly installed in your vehicle. Then, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This ensures the JB4 unit receives power. Finally, download the official JB4 mobile app from your device's app store. This app is essential for establishing the connection and accessing all the features of your JB4 system. We're ready to proceed to the next step. Now that your JB4 is powered and the app is ready, let's prepare your mobile device. Navigate to your smartphone's main settings menu. Within the settings, find the option for Bluetooth and make sure it is toggled to the on position. It's also a good idea to ensure your device is discoverable, which helps the JB4 unit find it. This simple step is crucial for allowing your phone to communicate wirelessly with the JB4 system. With Bluetooth active, we can move on to the app itself. With Bluetooth enabled on your phone, it's time to open the JB4 mobile application. Launch the app from your home screen or app drawer. The app might ask for certain permissions, such as location access. Please grant these to ensure full functionality. Once inside the app, you will typically see a main screen or a dedicated connection section. This is where your phone will begin searching for available JB4 devices. Keep an eye out for your specific JB4 unit to appear in the list. Finally, you're ready to establish the connection. In the JB4 mobile app, you should see a list of available Bluetooth devices. Locate and tap on your specific JB4 unit from this list. The app will then attempt to pair with your JB4. You might receive a confirmation prompt. Accept it to finalize the connection. Once successfully connected, the app will display a status indicating that your JB4 is linked and ready for use. You can now monitor and adjust your JB4 settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.